Hi, my name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and today I'm going to talk about how to replace Microsoft Office with Google Docs. If you're like most Microsoft Office users, you're primarily using Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. All of these things can be used in Google Docs as well. Let me show you how. First, I'm going to log into my Google Drive at drive.google.com. Here, I can click Create to create different kinds of Google documents. Document would replace Microsoft Word. Presentation would replace PowerPoint. And you can see I just clicked on that, and it looks a lot like PowerPoint. You can click to add a title, you can insert different types of slides. Back to my Google Drive, I can also create spreadsheets. And you'll see this looks like a spreadsheet. You can also take your existing Microsoft Office documents and upload them to your Google Drive. To do that, you can click this Upload button, select Files, browse to the Microsoft Office files on your computer, Control-click to select them, and click Open. This will import the files, and then they will appear on your Google Drive list. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to get started with replacing Microsoft Office with Google Docs.